My name is Emily. I'm with Soleil Lofts, and today I'm your leasing agent, and I'm going to be showing you our 1-bedroom model. Come on in. So, right off the bat, something I love about this home is how tall the ceilings are. We're actually on the first floor, and it's 9 feet tall. Here at Soleil, we also offer apartment homes that do have 15 feet tall ceilings, so super awesome. For me and my family, we usually spend the majority of our time in the kitchen. That's probably the same for a lot of people as well. So I was super stoked when I saw how big it is. You get 10 feet long countertops, so great for prepping a big meal like Thanksgiving or throwing a Super Bowl party, but also just to have a little bit extra space to work with. You can tell there's been a lot of detail put into this home. So you get lighting under here, which everyone always raves about, and we also have soft close cabinets, stainless steel, all the good stuff. Right under here, you can actually see that we also have lighting underneath the countertop. Again, just another neat little touch that just shows how much detail is really put into this, as well as thought. So as we just work our way around here, I do want to point out our full-size washer and dryers that come with the unit, just for your convenience. And then right over here, this is what really got me. It was a 1-bedroom apartment that comes with a half bath. How cool is that? So when you come in here, you do see that you also have shelving, just again, that thought put in there in place for you to make your life a little bit easier. Now, time for my favorite part, the bedroom, which I'm sure you're dying to see, so come on in. Well, this is my favorite because I show everyone, and you know, people are always so worried when they're moving, like, oh, I don't know if my furniture's gonna fit, I don't know if it's gonna fit. You come in here and, I mean, you're like, oh shoot, I guess I should get some more furniture, right? So much will fit in here, and again, the big tall windows and how spacious this place is, it brings in so much natural light. So yeah, it just is a really inspiring place to live in my opinion. And then right over here, we do have our barn door, which is something that's really popular right now. And it's also soft close, so again, pretty cool. And before we head into the bathroom, I did want to let you know, we actually have a technology to build all of our homes, which is called aero barrier technology. You may have heard of it before. I didn't. It seals the entire home so that your heating and AC actually stays within your home, so it's not seeping out of any crevices or anything like that. So you're maximizing your utilities to its fullest, which I love to save money. Who doesn't? And then we come right in here, and this is going to be your private bathroom. So no one will come in here except for you, and you get lots of space to yourself. Plenty of storage space underneath the vanity, as well as a very large mirror to open up the space even further. And you check out the shower, you also get some seating in there, which was kind of cool. And I'll get out of your way so you can go ahead and check out that awesome closet, so that you don't even need to bring in a dresser or anything like that. Make your move even that much easier. Let's go over to the living room. So of course, if you're not spending your time in the kitchen like me, you're probably gonna be spending it in the living room with your guests. So it's definitely important to have a big space. And something that I noticed as I was checking out different apartments was that the interior designers who typically use very small furniture. What I loved about our designer is she threw in this massive couch, because you can honestly put anything in this space. It'll fit anything. And to add even more to how cool this whole property is and your future home, we are a community that really believes in clean energy. So we're taking power from the sun and containing it into a battery so that you're using clean energy in your home. Call us today and we'll tell you more about it. Bye.